That sound? That was a budget dehydrator failing. For jerky, fruit leathers, and preserving your harvest, a good dehydrator is a kitchen game changer. A bad one? It's a wasted investment, or worse. We ran 5 top models for 72 hours straight with jerky, herbs, and juicy fruits. The results were delicious and terrifying. One unit couldn't maintain temperature, but one was a flawless, affordable powerhouse. All the links to the best models we trust are in the description below. Let's see which dehydrator won't let you down. Starting at number 1. Cosori Stainless Steel Dehydrator. Best overall. The Cosori Dehydrator got top marks for its ease of use during our tests. It's great for beginners, since the trays simply slide into the case. Along with the 6 racks, it also includes a fruit leather sheet and a fine mesh sheet, making it versatile. The racks are conveniently dishwasher safe, but the sheets are not. Adjusting the time and temperature is easy with intuitive buttons that let you select functions and fine-tune the settings. The manual is simple enough to get things started, but we particularly like the recipe booklet that gives information on time and temperature for different foods, as well as actual recipes. Even better, the timing in the recipe book was correct for all of the foods we tested. While this roomy dehydrator does take up a fair amount of counter space, it isn't difficult to lift and carry, which is great for people who plan to use it infrequently. With its 6 trays, it can handle a lot of food all at once, a plus for families or anyone who wants to dehydrate big batches. Number 2. Magic Mill Food Dehydrator. Most compact. This wee dehydrator is perfect for anyone who wants to dehydrate small batches, and for small kitchens, as it takes up minimal counter space. It's 5 trays stacked for drying and storage. Flip them over, and they stack even more compactly. The trays and lids are clear plastic, so it is easy to see through to check on the top tray. Looking through the sides isn't quite as easy, but you can see the color of food inside, which can give you a good indication of where in the drying process it is. While this food dehydrator is small, it still features settings for time and temperature. During testing, we noted that this would be great for a person who wants to dry a single sweet potato for dog treats, or a small pack of grocery store herbs. The trays and lid are dishwasher safe, so cleaning is easy, and the trays are small enough to fit well in the dishwasher. This unit doesn't include sheets for making fruit leather, so we used third-party sheets and cut them to size. Because the plastic trays aren't completely flat, one tray had a thicker spot that took longer to dry, but it still got the job done. Number 3. Nesco Snackmaster Pro Food Dehydrator. Most versatile. This dehydrator comes with 4 trays, but has the capacity to handle up to 20 trays, which can be purchased separately. We thought it might be a bit wide for carrying, but fortunately, it has a handle that makes it easy to move around the kitchen or to place in storage. We also like the information printed on the lid with suggested temperatures for drying various foods, as well as the digital display. The included manual has recipes, times, and temperatures for even more help with dehydrating foods, but it is very convenient to have that information on the machine itself. The trays are easy to install, and one of the included trays is designed for making fruit leather. The trays are wide, which makes it easy to load plenty of food, a plus for large families or people who like to stock up. Adding even more trays allows it to handle a lot of food in each batch. Fruit leather was a favorite with this machine, while dried herbs were also good. Jerky ended up crisp, mainly because the instructions suggested further baking in the oven for food safety. We like that a spice packet was included, so we didn't have to go shopping to make the first batch of jerky. Number 4. LEM Products MightyBite 6-Tray Dehydrator. Best for gardeners. This dehydrator has 6 trays and looks solidly built, with a glass door that allows you to peek inside without letting the warm air out. The racks slide in and out easily, similar to oven racks. A drip tray on the bottom catches any mess, so cleaning is easy. While it's large and heavier than some, it was reasonably easy to move for a machine of its size. A sticker on top of the machine suggests times and temperatures, and the manual has charts for even more foods. The manual also includes a link for the National Center for Home Preservation for more information on drying and food safety. Because of its large capacity and the fact that it worked well with everything from herbs to tough vegetables, this machine would be great for people with gardens. The trays are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, but they might be a bit large for some dishwashers. Still, we appreciate that they can be tossed in there if they get messy. The drip tray is also dishwasher safe. One odd thing is that the temperature is adjustable in 2-degree increments. We found it odd to set the temperature for 139 or 141 instead of an even 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 5. Tribus Digital Food Dehydrator. Best high-end. If you dehydrate foods more than occasionally, this machine might be for you. Sure, it's pricey, but it can do things that other dehydrators only dream of. Large capacity? Check. Not too bulky? Check. High enough maximum temperature for food safety? Check. But that's not all. It can also automatically switch from a higher starting temperature to a lower one for quicker drying without overcooking or requiring you to babysit the machine. It has a whopping 11 stainless steel trays that are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. A glass door and interior LED light mean you can easily see what's going on inside without interrupting the drying process. Not only can you set time and temperature, but there are 4 modes: fast, raw, combination, and continuous, so you can fine-tune the drying process. The timer can be set for up to 99 hours per mode, or 120 total hours, so you can dry things without worrying about having to restart when the timer runs out. As expected from a high-end machine, it operates quietly and comes to temperature quickly. If you want to save a little bit of money, you can opt for plastic trays instead of stainless steel, but we like the durability of the metal trays. While it's not a machine we expect will live on the counter, it was still the nicest looking of the bunch we tested. So, are you Team Jerky or Team Fruit Leather? Let me know what you're going to make first in the comments. If this hands-on test helped you find a dehydrator you can trust for years, please show some love by hitting that like button. Share this video with your prepper friends, garden club, or anyone who loves healthy snacks. Subscribe and hit the bell because next week, we're testing the best vacuum sealers to pair with your new dehydrator, and the results are absolutely airtight. Happy dehydrating!